Sorry about all the waffling viewers, but okay, so focus. Y'all see these 5 balls? They're the Mountain Dew balls filled with 2 bullet casings. Each one of them has a bullet casing in them. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. A Nerf rival XV111 500. Really cool design on it. Nice top rail and back rail. You flip that. Oh crap! Hold on. There we go. You flip that orange piece up. Pull the. Darn it! Sorry about that, viewers. But pull back the slide. Oh. As you can see, nice slide. That little button right there, so you can pull it back. Safety's right here. I take off safety. I'm gonna be aiming for the blue bottle. And 3, 2, 1, firing. Dang. 3 bottles at once. Aiming for the Jolly Ranchers bottle. 3, 2, 1. Hey, that one actually made it. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that hit it. That was a direct hit. 3, 2, 1. There we go. We still got 1 or 2 bullets left. So just to show y'all the sheer power, walking stick. Let's see. We are clear. This is the munitions that it takes. I don't know if y'all can. Okay, it's focusing. That's the munitions that the Nerf rifle takes. Munitions means ammo. Ammo means stuff that shoots out the gun. Yeah, my room's a mess. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 darts in. Going for the 5th. Five darts in. Oh crap. I see the blanket's in the way. It's gonna be a more than 2-minute video. I'm gonna reset the bottles. And this is the review for the Nerf rifle. Oh, cool dart. Where? So that's where you went. This is also going to be a review for this little nifty gun. It's a Nerf gun, single shot. Cock it back, make that sound. That's the barrel. Rule number 1: never look down the barrel of an actual gun. My fingers on safety, because there is no actual safeties on this gun. Aiming at Coca-Cola bottle number 1. 3, 2, 1. Hit. Another 5-shotter. Mountain Dew ball. 3, 2, 1. Miss. 3, 2, 1. Miss. I'm gonna stop using this gun. I'm gonna reload it. Put that over there. And this right here is the Nerf AccuStrike Series Alpha Hawk. I don't know how well y'all can see this, but this one right now, if you watch this gray cylinder is supposed to turn, it does not. I kind of broke it. But it has some serious power. I think it's a jamming thing or something. But it's a nice little gun. You press this gray button right here. I don't know if y'all can see it with my fingers on. Press that to open up the cylinders. 5 shots. Comes with AccuStrike darts, and for those who don't know what AccuStrike darts are, they're fairly accurate. Hence the name AccuStrike. Here they are. That's the tip. That's the tip. Very, very accurate. Just to demonstrate, AccuStrike, what I like to call dual wheel pistol. Really nice. That's darn accurate. Now back to the Nerf revival review. It's cocked and ready to go. And just so y'all see me actually firing them, here I am. Oh, sorry about that, viewers.